Hi there, Chris Fox here. So we're still on this NHRBIS Cummins engine, and we're going to pull the crank today. So what I've done is to keep everything in order when it goes back together. All the mains are labeled. You can't mix them up. I don't care what anybody says, you can't mix them up. And the other thing is that the studs that go from on each main, I've labeled as well, so that I know they're nuts, but you know what? They've been sitting in these threads for how long? And they go in and out of these threads just fine. So keep the nut with the thread. Yeah, it should be fine, theoretically, but why screw it up? So I've labeled those. The other thing I've done is I pulled the rear cover, just here. The rear cover's back here. So that's the rear main seal here. And when we lift all the caps off, then we can hook the crankshaft and lift it, and the seal will come out of the bottom half of the shell, and then you take the shell off when it's out. All right, let's get to it. All right, so I've paint marked, even though the timing marks realistically only need to be on the crankshaft and camshaft. I put timing marks on the idler gear, the oil pump, and the fuel pump. Not that it matters, because their gears are gear, but I'm gonna take it apart, but I feel the same way. We have all the caps loose all the way across. So we'll just set this up and pull the crank. These are the thrust bearings I'm taking out now. Top mains. This looks like main 7. Alright, so it's out. And we got the bearings that are still there. And then the crankshaft is there. Yep. Get to it and we'll see if we can't clean it up, make it look the idler is great, no issues with the idler there. And we're going to clean all this up in here. Excellent. All right. Thanks for watching.